Hello all, welcome to my channel. So we have toolbox here. So in toolbox you can see the component systems. Just left click here and search for geometry. Drag this geometry module onto the project schematic. Right click here and search for new design modeler geometry. Just left click on this. So this is the design modeler window, and you can see here XY, ZX and YZ planes, and you can see here a lot of options. Today we will discuss about extrude operation. In extrude we have three different operations: add material, cut material and slice material. So before proceeding we need to check the units. Just click here units and make sure it is mm based on our requirement. So today we will draw this in 3D using extrude option. So first we will start with circle of radius 30 mm. For that first we need to create the sketch. Just click on XY plane and you can see here new sketch. Just click here. Right click here and click on look at, so that the sketch will be normal to you. And you can see here two modules, sketching and modeling. Just click on sketching. And you can see here draw, modify, dimensions, constraints and settings. To draw a circle you need to go into draw. Just go down and search for circle. This is the circle. Just left click on it. Just left click here and click it. So here the circle radius is 30 mm. So to check the radius of this, just go to dimensions and click on radius. Click on the circle and you can see here R1. R1 is nothing but 9.7 mm, but we need 35 mm. Just enter 35, click on enter. Now we have a circle of 35 mm radius. Okay. Now if you want to zoom in and zoom out, just scroll over mouse center button. And if you want to pan, you can see here pan option. Just click here and pan it. Just click on draw and you can click on line, and from here you just draw a line of 40 mm from here to here. So now we need to measure the dimension. Just click on dimension and click on vertical. Just click on this point and this point. So it is V2 88 mm, but we need 40 mm. Just click here 40 mm. Okay. Next we need a line of length 150 mm. Go to draw, click here, click on this point, and this is 150 mm. Just click on dimensions, click on general. This should be 150 mm. Next we have one more line of 20 mm. Click on draw, click on this point, click here and draw. Now here while measuring the dimensions we have general, horizontal and vertical. General means like just you need to select one single line, you will get the dimension. But if you want to select, now if you want to remove this dimension, just click here undo. Now if you go on vertical you need to click 2 points, 1 and 2, so you will get the dimension. So this dimension should be 20 mm. So here V5 20 mm. Okay. Now we need to draw one more line till here. They did not give dimension here. Let's assume it is some radius of 10 mm. Okay. Now we will draw line from here to here. Just go to draw, click on line, click on this point and click till here. Okay. Now we need a fillet of radius 30. For that we need to go to modify. Click on modify, just click on fillet and enter here radius 10 mm. Enter and click on one edge, click on second edge. So you will get a fillet of radius 10 mm. Now our next step is to remove the unwanted lines. Now we need to trim this. Okay. For that you need to click on trim option here. You can see the trim option. Just click on trim and just click on these unwanted lines. So unwanted lines is deleted. Okay, now next step is we need to extrude of 60 mm. Okay, so if to extrude, just click on modeling. Okay, so if you want to rotate this, just click here and just click here. Okay, just for visualization purpose, and click on extrude. Now if once you click on extrude, so you can see here add material. Okay, so we need to add the material. Okay, and you can see the depth of 60 mm. Okay, now I want material to be extrude in positive Z. If you want to extrude in negative Z, here you can see direction, just click on reverse, so it will go that side. But as of now I need in positive Z, just click on normal. Okay, you have given the depth, then just click on generate. Once you click on generate, you can see it is extruded. Okay, if you want to hide this sketch, just left click, hide. Okay, just click on geometry. So this is the 3D component. Now our next step is to create hole at this location of diameter 30 mm. Now to create a hole on this face, first you need to create plane here. Okay, so for that we have three options for selecting. First one is for selection of points. You can click the points. Second is for selection of edges. You can click on edges. Third one is for selecting faces. So this is what we need now. We need to select on this face. Okay, next step is I want to create plane here first. So for that you need to just click on new plane. So plane is created, click on generate, plane is created. Now I need sketch here. Just click on plane, click on new sketch. Okay, just right click here and click on look at. Okay, now we need to create a circle of diameter 30 mm. Just click on sketching and in draw search for circle. Click on circle and just click somewhere. Okay, now we need a diameter of 30 mm. Just go to dimensions, click on diameter. Here click on diameter and select this. So here it is 30 mm. Okay, so now this circle is exactly concentric with this circle. For that you need to go to constraints. In constraints, search for concentric. Click here, click on this line and click on this line. So it will adjust to center of this circle center. Okay, now we have created the sketch. Okay, now next step is we need to remove the material of this diameter. Okay, just click on modeling. Okay, just click on sketch extrude here. Just click on extrude and click on this sketch 2 and apply, so that you can see the sketch 2 here. Now we need to remove material from here to here. Okay, so for that first this should be on the other side. You can see the cylinder is coming outside, but this should be on the other side. For that first you need to check the dimension, click on reverse. Now this is on the other side. Now our next step is in the operations, just click down arrow and click on cut material. Once you click on cut material, just click on generate. That's it. You can see the hole here, the material got removed. Now so this operation is done. Now we have one more operation is oval shape. Okay, so for that again we need to create plane on this face. Okay, just click on face here, just click here, click on the plane. Okay, generate. Now we need to go with sketch. Just click on plane, click on new sketch, select on the sketch, click on look at. Okay, now so we have oval shape here of 30 mm length and 20 mm width. Okay, now go to sketching here. In the draw, search for oval. You can see the oval option here. Just click here. 1, 2. So we got oval, and you know the length is 30 mm. just go to dimensions, just click on horizontal, this point, this point. So here it is h1. h1 should be 30 mm. And next is vertical, the width. Click here, it is v2. So v2 is 20 mm. Now this oval should be exactly at the center. So from here it is 30 and from here it is 30. Okay, so it's vertical. Okay, just click here and click on this point, it is v4. So v4 is 30 mm. Now click on horizontal. From horizontal, this point to this point, it is 30 mm. Okay, so just click here and click here. So it is h5. h5 is 30 mm. So we are done with oval. Now our next step is to remove material here. Okay, just click on modeling and click on extrude. Okay, and select this sketch, apply and reverse the direction reverse. Now we have here one more option called slice material. We will see what happens once you click on generate. Just click on generate. Now once click on generate, what happened is instead of removing the material, it chopped the material. And if you want to see that material separately, you can go to these parts or bodies and just click on solid. You can see the material, but it is chopped for the given shape. Now just right click on it, suppress. Okay, this is one way, or you can simply cut it. Okay, but if you want to save this material for the future purpose, you can just suppress and you can keep it. So just hide these sketches. Okay, so this is how you will use the extrude options. Thank you for watching the video.